Hi everyone, hope you're all Tickety-Boo. I've had a request from a chap called Bear. You should check his Instagram, it's pretty cool. He does some really good fitness stuff. What he's requested is that I help you lot show how to set up the modes on the Ronin SC. It's really easy to do. All you need is the app, and I'm going to show you how to do it in less than a minute. First thing though, make sure you downloaded the latest firmware, because that will help you out with some of the issues in the first place. Anyway, the interesting fact today, do you know that a strawberry isn't a berry, but a banana is? See you in a sec. Okay, so what we're going to do is show you how to change the modes on the Ronin SC. I'm going to show it in two ways. One using the Ronin app, which is very easy to do, but also if you've invested into one of the control mechanisms for the Ronin SC, I believe these fit the Ronin S as well. All right, I'm also going to show you how to do that. So let's get into it. Okay, the first mode we're going to show you is setting it all on the command unit there. But before we do, this will probably help you out. So to get it into lock mode, all you need to do is actually press the trigger once, okay? And once you've done that, the camera will stay in that lock position no matter where you move it, okay? So as you can see, yeah, the old camera there. Let's turn it around and show you this way. Double click it to get it back to the center. So if I press it once, all right, as you can see there, yeah, all right, it is moving around the gimbal, but the camera's staying in that one place. So that's the first one. And there is another reason for updating the firmware, because if you want to use the barrel roll or the vertigo roll or whatever they call it, or vortex, I think they call it on some of them as well, yeah, it's actually set in as a default mode. So all you need to do is get the M button to 3 times, yeah, and it will go up like that. Also, if you want it to continually rotate, so say you had it fixed onto a tripod or you just wanted it to stand there without having to use a joystick, all you need to do is click the joystick in the direction you want it to go twice, like this. Okay, as you can see, it will just keep going, no hands. If you want that to stop, all you need to do is click the trigger twice. And what it will do is when it comes back to the beginning, as you'll see in 2 seconds, it will then stop. And then you press it 1, 2, 3 times, and it goes back to the original mode. Right, so let's get into customizing the 3 modes on there using the command unit. Right, so the command unit itself, just on here, all you need to do is press the button once and it goes into there. I've already got it on user profile, so you scroll down to the second one, not the motor. Obviously there's loads of other things you can do with this, but this is just to change the modes. All right, so press that once more, go into user profile and then click to the right so it comes up. What this does, as you can see, is mode 1 is lit. So mode 1 at the moment is on FPV. So if I want to change that, all I need to do is go into there and actually scroll up and down and choose what I want it to be. But for this purpose, I'm going to put it onto full follow, okay? Then to change the next one, all you need to do is press the mode button once, okay? Now I've got it set in for 3D barrel roll, but because of the firmware update, I don't need it in there anymore. So click that once, and then I'm going to go to pan follow for number 2, all right? And then press mode button again, and it should go to number 3, which at the moment is set on pan follow, okay? And then what I want to do with that one is set it to FPV, and again press that. So hopefully this should then have saved automatically. So mode 1, okay, it's full follow. Mode 2 is on pan follow, and mode 3 is on full FPV, because we don't need the 3D barrel roll on there. There are lots of other settings in here, but that's for another video, I'm sure. Right, now what I'm going to do is, if you haven't got this command unit, is show you how to do this bear. I'm going to show you how to do it with the app, so bear with me 2 secs. Right then, if you haven't got the old command unit like this one, okay, it's just as easy to do it on the app. So make sure it's obviously connected to your Ronin, go to user profile, and then up the top here you'll see mode 1, mode 2, mode 3. And it's simple as you touch mode 1, you do the drop down box here, okay, and then you choose, let's say, pan and tilt. Go to mode 2, do that one and change it to pan follow. Go to mode 3 and we'll change that one to FPV. As I said, I'm not going to use the 3D roll on any of those, because if you triple click the M button, then it will come up anyway, and I think you'll find that a lot easier. And it is as simple as that, because as soon as you go back to there, okay, it's already saved for you. And then all you need to do is actually take the Ronin and go through the mode buttons, which I'll show you in 2 secs. So there you go. We've got mode 1, yeah, it's set on there. Mode 2 is set on there. And mode 3 is set on there. And it is as simple as that. Hopefully you found that one useful. Okay, Bear, so hopefully you found that useful and hopefully you'll be able to set yours up. I'd be interested to find out what you're doing with it, so leave a comment down below. Anyway, if anybody else wants anything doing, don't forget to use the hashtag WW, yeah, down below in the comments, and I'll try and solve the issues for you. I will come back to you personally, or I'll try and do a little video like this. Anyway, that's it this time. If you did like this one, please leave a comment down below. If you liked it even more, put the thumbs up, and why not subscribe? Because you never know, I might do something that actually improves your skills. Anyway, that's it for today. Cheers and gone.